Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to put a Brocade switch in a maintenance mode in SANnav. The question arises, why and when to put a switch in maintenance mode? To answer that, in SANnav Management Portal, when you want to perform maintenance on a switch, such as firmware upgrade or gathering Supportsave data, you can put the switch in maintenance mode to stop monitoring performance and receiving alerts. Putting a switch in maintenance mode is done at the chassis level. Now, let us log into SANnav to put a switch in maintenance mode. In order to open the details page of the chassis, click Inventory in the navigation bar and then select Chassis from the drop-down list. Locate the chassis and then click the down arrow in the rightmost column and then select View from the Action menu. This is how the chassis details looks. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the details page and select one of the maintenance mode options. Here, set maintenance mode is used to put the chassis in maintenance mode immediately. Schedule maintenance mode is to set a time in the future for maintenance mode to start. Now, let us select Set maintenance mode to put the switch in a maintenance mode immediately. You can optionally set an end date and time when maintenance mode ends. Now click Save. This is the acknowledgement from SANnav that the changes made will be in effect. Click Close. Here we can see that the selected chassis has been put in a maintenance mode as it's not highlighted like other chassis which is ready for any configuration changes. If you do not wish to set an end date when the firmware upgrade or other maintenance operations are complete, you can click on the same chassis to go back to the same details page and then clear the set maintenance mode and then click Save to put the switch back in normal mode. This is how we put the switch or chassis in a maintenance mode. Thanks for watching.